Hi everybody, welcome to ACE Engineering Academy and ACE Online. See, GATE 2026 exam is over and everybody is waiting eagerly for admissions into various IITs, Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, NITs and IIITs. Now, IISc Bangalore has released the admission portal and you can apply for the admissions into M.Tech, Master of Design, and there are some interesting programs also that I'll be showing now. Okay, so to get into this admission portal, so here you need to go for this URL iisc.ac.in/admissions/MTech-MDes. So this is the official URL where you can go. So here you can see M.Tech and MDes programs. So here the institute offers 3 master's program based on coursework: Master of Technology, Master of Design and Master of Management. So details of the Master of Management program are here. So if you click on this link, Master of Management program related details will be there. The institute admits about 450 students every year for its course programs. We also admit about 50 sponsored candidates from various government agencies and PSUs, and details for this are given here. So related to sponsored category students and all the admissions related information is given. So M.Tech online program is also being offered for the working professionals from companies that have an agreement with IISc. So the details are given here. Now the minimum eligibility requirements, selection procedure and instructions for online application applicable to all M.Tech MDes disciplines are given at the bottom of this page. Now let us go there. So you can see Master of Design program is there. So candidates with qualifications in BE, BTech or an equivalent degree should have qualified and hold a valid GATE scorecard as on 1st August 2026. So that is the requirement. For the MDes program, candidates with qualifications in BE, BTech, BDes, B architecture degrees should have qualified in GATE, CED, CAT and hold a valid scorecard as on 1st August 2026. So here you should apply through the online admissions application portal. Instructions for the portal are provided here. So instructions are given here. So you can click here so that you can read the instructions page clearly before applying there. And online admissions application portal is also there. I'll show the details, dear students. So here we will use the Common Offer Acceptance Portal, COAP portal. So this is officially used by IISc, IITs for admission into their M.Tech and Master of Science Research, MS Research, M.Tech Research and PhD programs. So important deadlines, if you want to see here, you can go, and fee structure, you can click here. Now let us see the programs first of all. Master of Design program. So here you can see Product Design, Development and Management, Discipline Product Design, Development and Management is there. Intake 18 is there. Qualification with required GATE paper or CED in brackets. So BE, BTech, BDes all 4 years, B Architecture 5 years or equivalent degree in any discipline with a valid GATE or CAT or CED score. So selection process is based on 70% weightage on the CED, GATE, CAT score plus 30% performance in the interview. So areas of study will be product design and engineering. So this is for Master of Design program. Now let's see the Master of Technology related programs. M.Tech Aerospace Engineering is there. So here intake is given 19 and here BE, BTech or equivalent engineering degree with GATE paper in Aerospace Engineering, Civil, Chemical, Electronics, Electrical, Mechanical and XE Engineering Sciences is given. So selection is purely based on GATE score. So here aerodynamics, propulsion structures, control, navigation and guidance related areas of study are there. Then you can see Artificial Intelligence program is there, Bioengineering program is there, Civil Engineering program is there, Chemical Engineering, Earth and Climatic Sciences, Computational and Data Sciences, Computer Science and Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, then Electronic Systems Engineering, Electrical Engineering, Sustainable Technologies, Electronic Product Design, Mobility Engineering, Instrumentation Systems, Mechanical Engineering, Materials Engineering, Microelectronics and VLSI Design, Semiconductor Technology is there, Quantum Technology, then Robotics and Automation Systems, Smart Manufacturing, Smart Mobility and Logistics Systems and Signal Processing. So these are all the programs, dear students. So if you click On the program here you can see, so I have clicked on semiconductor technology. Here semiconductor technology department, nanoscience and engineering, intake is 7. So here BE, BTech or equivalent degree in any discipline with gate paper in EC, electrical, instrumentation, mechanical, metallurgy, physics, biomedical, XCC. MSc or equivalent degree in electronics or in physics with gate in EC or instrumentation or physics paper. Selection is based on 100% gate score. So no interview is there. So semiconductor technology is there here. So you can see quantum technology is also there. The intake and BE, BTech or equivalent in any discipline is being given here. So selection is based on 70% of gate score plus 30% interview. Like this, for all the programs you can see what is the intake, what is the gate score required in which branch. So you have to write the gate paper, that is all given here, dear students. You can go through this information carefully. Now let me show you the applications related portal, admissions.iisc.ac.in. So if you go to the URL, so here you can see start application PG PhD is given here. So once you click here start application PG PhD, so this page will open. First you have to sign up. Remember one most important thing, dear students. So once you fill this data, so you cannot change it. So therefore kindly carefully fill this particular data. So name as in 10th standard certificate. So country of residence, mobile number, email ID. See, I suggest you to create a separate email ID so that you will not miss any kind of notifications from various institutes like IISc, IITs, wherever you apply. So that will be helpful, dear students. Don't use your previous email IDs which you use usually for social media also. Try to avoid that. Okay. So email, enter the password, enter the captcha, you will get a OTP. So just enter the OTP. So that is for authentication, dear students. So once you enter the OTP, then you have to submit, then you will get login credentials, so you can apply for that, right? So here you can see the instructions for online submission. The candidates for PG and PG research programs, postgraduate programs and PG research programs will need to fill the online application and fee payment through online admissions portal. So here first registration will be there. So first you need to sign up. So register by providing your name, date of birth, mobile number and email address. So once you register, you will receive an email from admission@auto.iisc.ac.in with a link to confirm your email address. So you have to confirm your email address. Once you can click on the link, your email ID will be verified. So you need to verify your mobile number using the OTP sent to the registered mobile number. You can now log into the portal to submit your application. Sometimes this email may have been placed in your junk or spam email folder. Please check that folder in case you have not received the confirmation email. Please make sure that your email client does not flag emails from the @iisc.ac.in and @auto.iisc.ac.in domains as junk or spam. So you will receive several communications from this email domain during the admissions application process. So that is the reason I told you to create a separate email ID, dear students. So because you will get multiple emails from these, so you should be very careful, right? Then information required before starting the application. You will need the following details and documents before starting the application. Please make sure to keep all these ready before starting the application. You can complete the application across multiple sessions before the application deadline, but you will need to fill in all the required fields in one page before you can save a session. So for specific details of these, see the instructions below. So here passport size photo size is given .jpg or .jpeg files. File size should be below 500 KB. Signature image file, so it should be in .jpg or .jpeg files, and the file size should be below 500 KB. Details of your 10th and 12th standard schooling, marks, grades and key subjects. Details of all undergraduate degrees, postgraduate degrees and diplomas that you have completed, including marks for each semester term, cumulative marks and key subjects you have taken. Then ABC ID or APAR ID. So this is also required. Details of all national entrance tests that you have taken, including registration number, roll number, rank if available, score, paper, etc. as relevant. NETs include GATE, JAM, JEST, GPAT, NET, JRF, like this he has given, dear students. So you kindly go through this information. Candidates applying through joint CSIR UGC NET for JRF and UGC NET for JRF must ensure that they hold the JRF fellowship. So these are all the details, dear students. Personal details. So all PG, PhD applications share the same personal details page. Please fill the details carefully and accurately. The details you enter in this page is common across all your applications. Making a change to personal details in one application form will change these details in all your other applications also, including ones you have already submitted. So name, mobile number, email address fields, etc. cannot be changed. So this is one important thing, dear students. I told you earlier about this also. Educational qualification and mode of entry, all these things you have to fill carefully, dear students. So this is the complete instruction page. Kindly go through this very carefully. Don't do any kind of mistakes, dear students. So while filling the online application form. Now I told you about the important dates. So here you can see online application submission, PG research programs, February 11, 2026. The website is open for online admissions. Application submission deadline for all PG research programs is March 23, 2026, dear students, and it is up to 11:59 p.m. Okay. Then sponsored and external registration program application deadline March 31st, 2026. So 11:59 p.m. Interview written test schedule, regular M.Tech Master of Design, Master of Management, M.Tech CFTI between April 13 to April 17, 2026. So these are the dates related to interview or written test conducted for various programs, dear students. So date of reporting at IISc is between July 22 July 22nd, 2026. This is tentative date, dear students. Okay, so commencement of classes is from August 3rd, 2026. So this is the information given related to important dates, dear students. Then coming to iisc.ac.in/admissions/programs. So here you can see, dear students, overall view. So postgraduate PG programs are there: M.Tech, MDes, Master of Management, M.Tech through CFTI mode, joint M.Tech in semiconductor technology. This is what I want to show you, dear students. So if you go for this joint M.Tech in semiconductor technology, so here you can observe a joint master's degree between the Center for Nanoscience and Engineering IISc and Taiwanese universities is being launched from the academic year 2024-2025 to enable a strong relationship between Indian academia and the semiconductor industry in Taiwan. So this program enables students to access the semiconductor workplace during their master's program through academic industry internships and projects. So this helps India stay abreast in the cutting edge semiconductor technology employment sector as per the Indian semiconductor mission. Okay, so the collaborating Taiwanese universities include National University of Taiwan, National Chiao-Tung Yangming University. So there are 4 universities, dear students. Kindly go through this. So this one actually with the valid gate score as on 1st August 2025. So this is the last year data. So this year also there is a chance for you to go for this program, dear students, joint M.Tech in semiconductor technology. So kindly see for the update in this particular page. So here you can see in the menu, you can see degree programs. So there you can visit and check whether this program is available this year or not. So last year this is available, dear students. So this year also I am expecting that this will be available for you. So this is a good program that will help you, right? So now coming to the cutoff scores, where you have to see the cutoff scores. So here in the menu, if you go for overview, so there you can observe fee structures and scholarship fellowships. Then certificate formats, various certificate formats required for various categories, previous year admission statistics. If you click here, so you can see cutoff reports of previous years. So if you go and click there, so here you can see cutoff report for integrated PhD program, cutoff report for research programs. So with the years it is given, cutoff report for M.Tech, MDes. So if you click on 2025 report, so the 2025 report will be open here, dear students. So here you can see for various programs, what is the entrance gate paper, then what is the cutoff score for various categories. It is clearly mentioned, dear students. So this will help you to understand, so with what score last year students have entered into the various M.Tech programs or Master of Design program. Also, you can go and see the research programs related information also. So that research programs related information is also available, dear students. So here you can see PhD program, cutoff report for research programs is there, Master of Management program. So last few years of data is available. So kindly go through this data. So this will help you to understand, so how and how much cutoff is required in order to enter various programs. So cutoff report for Master of Management program. So gate score M.Tech admissions. So related information is also there, dear students. Here you can see. So this is all the complete information. So lowest and highest both are given here, dear students, M.Tech, MDes cutoff. So kindly go through this information very carefully. Okay. So I wish you all the best. So thank you. Have a great day.